So some of the benefits that we see with no-till planting versus conventional till is we see a bump in yield advantage as well as lower cost of operation. So ultimately what it does is it gives the farmer an opportunity for higher profits at a lower cost. So we realize that there's a variety of challenges with no-till. So we have 4 key things that we look at. The first one is going to be specific to our 3600, 3660, and 4900 planters, and that's hydraulic weight transfer. And what hydraulic weight transfer will allow us to do is distribute the weight evenly across the width of the planter. That does 2 things for us. That helps reduce potential compaction, and it also helps us in our depth control as we keep that toolbar level and we keep the wings in the ground. The second thing we get into options and attachments. So starting at the front of the row unit, we have residue wheels, residue trash cleaners that help move debris. We have no-till coulters, a variety of those that help break ground, cut debris, so that we can get into depth, setting that bed for depth control. And then we get into our closing wheel systems. So we have a variety of closing wheel systems that we offer as well, which include cast iron, rubber V, and then the furrow cruiser spiked closing wheel system. So those are 2, and then we also have our interplant system. One of the things that's unique with Kinze is we have our interplant system out front. It's a pusher unit. So that does a couple things for us. It allows for better residue flow. It also helps balance the toolbar a little bit better, again, as we're looking at depth control. And then it also, in terms of maintenance, you can get into those row units and work on those row units a little better. And then the 4th thing that we offer, which is pretty unique, is the even row package. What that allows us to do is put an extra row unit up on the front pusher bar, and we're able to move the tractor tires and the planter tires and the row units off the stalks, drive between the rows, and prolong the life of the tires as well as the row units. So maintenance is key for us, and it's one of those things that when you need to get in and work on a planter, we want to make sure that we could get at the planter, at the row unit, and make the proper fixes. So having those push units out front gives the farmer the opportunity, or the dealer, to get at the row unit and make the proper fixes. Also, with our planters, you can raise them high enough so you can get a little bit better ergonomical advantage standing up working on them as well. So there's 2 things that we would suggest on that point. You could go to kinze.com to get information. You could also go visit your local dealer. If you don't know who your local dealer is, again, you could go back to kinze.com. We have a dealer locator, and you can find the dealer closest to you. So as a manufacturer in the ag industry, I think it's important that we support the ag industry. These are farmers and operations that apply to our everyday lives. So it's good for us to be able to be here to help support these types of events and the ag community.